Hello, my name is Kuba Konchik and welcome in Hands-on Deep Learning for Computer Vision from PACT. And I've been programming since 1995. I've been doing a lot of different kind of programming since then. And around 2006 I've started to build a pretty complex Python systems. And in one of those projects I had to use some of the machine learning methods to actually predict real estate prices. And I didn't have a lot of time to do that, and I've jumped in and I failed miserably. And after a while I've decided that I will have to really re-examine some of those methods and really learn about them and see how they actually work and why I actually failed when I was trying to really jump in really quickly. And then I've decided I have to share all of those results of this research to really make this machine learning stuff much easier for beginners. So this is the goal of this course, to make it as simple as possible and fun as well for you. So I hope that you will enjoy it. So let's look at our course and what you'll learn in this course. So in section 1 we'll start with just getting this high-level overview of deep learning, what these deep learning methods are all about, and we'll start to build a autoencoder and convolutional neural network that will allow us to remove the noise from the images. And in this section we will focus on learning how to use the Keras API, and we'll slowly learn all the bits and pieces about what you need to know to actually use it. Then in section 2 we jump into image classification with Keras, and you'll learn how to use a pre-trained VGG models, which are very popular. And in this section you'll learn how to quickly use a pre-training models in your own applications. Then in section 3 we'll examine a very popular recently subject called generative adversarial networks, a very cool subject, and also that this method actually produces a very interesting results, like generating images out of the nowhere. And in this section we'll go through an example of building this generative adversarial network to learn handwritten digits. So this will be really cool. Then in section 4 I'll guide you into how we can use Keras for object detection with a very efficient method called YOLO. And YOLO is a recent invention and it really performs really well. And we'll end with section 5 with very interesting subject of generating what we call neural style. So the idea behind that is that we can distinguish in an image, we can distinguish content from style, and we can transfer this style to some other image. And you'll learn how to do that in Keras. So I think you'll really enjoy section 5 as well. So what are some prerequisites for this course? There's not a lot of prerequisites, but the main one is you have to have some kind of a working Python knowledge. And a lot of this stuff that we'll cover in this course, pretty basic ones, but you have to have the basics covered out. Okay. Then you also have to have some kind of ability to run simple commands in a shell, in a terminal, and we'll do the training using the terminal and also run our scripts that way. So there's nothing left to say, and I'm really excited that you're here, and let's get started.